I can't get close enough. There's one back there. It's kind of beautiful. Damn, he got a thick neck too. Damn. If I can't get close enough though, he'll definitely run off. Oh yeah, that one right there. That's some good eating right there. You see that neck? Look at that neck. Sorry, I can't get close enough. Let's see if I can try. They'll probably run off. And I apologize. Whoa. I can't get too much closer. Damn. Look at that boy. Thick neck boy. I guess he got his family in there. And now this is my neighbor's backyard.